Chicken. That's right. What's that?
E.
What's a bee say?
B.
Right. What's that?
Baggy.
Froggy. What's that?
Sheba.
What? What's that? Giraffe. That's right. What's that?
Horsey.
Horsey.
Right.
What is that?
Doggy.
Doggy. And what's that?
Right doggy. Right doggy.
Yeah, doggy. What's that called?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Tell Daddy what that's called.
Hippopotamus.
What's that?
Elephant.
Elephant. What's that?
Sheep.
Sheep. Do you know what that's called?
This.
You know what that is?
No.
Panda bear.
Panda.
It's a panda.
A zebra.
No, that's not a zebra. What's that?
After.
It says moo.
Moo. Go.
Yeah.
Moo.
Yeah. What's that?
Zebra go.
Where's zebra go? There. Right there. Where's that?